Okay, now this is the page which I have built. Now if you can see, this is the only link to reach the pop-up section, I would say. Now to link this, as usual, you need to edit this button with the left side options is there. Now in this section, I mentioned the pop-up name npop mission 2.3. Okay, now because that when I'm going to click on this pop-up will appear. Now you need to do one more thing. What is that? You need to go this mission template. How are you going to do that? Now you need to go back to dashboard. Okay, before you're going to say, let me check this page does work, that pop-up. Okay, now here, if I'm going to click over here, you will see the pop-up without page load. Okay, now after clicking this button, you're supposed to go next pop-up without loading this page. Okay, so let's see this first. I think this is the answer. Maybe this one is the answer. Okay, I think you have been changed, I believe. Okay, let's do again because the one which I'm made this possible, I'm going to reveal. Maybe you have been changed things. Okay, now you see there is a one element which is in hidden. Okay, now this button is responsible for the next button, but to do that I'm supposed to go first. Okay, you have made two buttons. It's not sure. Okay, I'll let you know. Okay, now to fix it, I have to go for this pop-up section. To do that, I need to go backend dashboard, and where I can find this, I believe the pop-ups. Pop-ups, go to back. How do I go back? WordPress. Okay. I think where those I forgot. Yeah, these are the pop-ups here. So in this pop-up, as we already seen, this is the pop-up name of 2. Yeah. So let's go with the 2.3 mission 2.3. Let's search for SSI mission 2.1 or something. Well, let me check again whether it's 2.3 or 2.1. Get with elementor. I'm getting it. Don't worry. You can see changes. At this stage, what was the pop-up? Okay, now this, what I'm seeing, the pop-up mission 2.3. Okay, mission 2.3. Let me type the complete name. NPOPUP. NPOPUP pop-up mission 2.3. What happened? NPOP. 2.3 2 underscore 3 or 2.3 2 underscore. Here is that one. Okay, now this one is actually appearing when I'm clicking over here. Okay, let's do this edit. Okay, I open a new tab on there. So when you see here with Elementor, edit with Elementor, I believe. Okay, as I already told you, you need to add a button over here, I think which you have done already, but the problem is you have add more than two. You can't, I mean, you need to add only one more. Now there's multiple things, so to make sure that one need to work, this is the button and this one is a none, and I'm seeing you have added one. Okay, so I have to remove any one. You don't need to, I mean, it's not going to work that way. You delete one. I'm going to delete one button. Okay, from this one, delete. Okay, so now we have only one. So at this stage, I have to look at this button's element, I mean the ID, which you can find this. Okay, now this one you need to copy. Okay, like this. I'm going to copy this. I'm using keyboard. Okay, I just copied. Now you need to paste this on this action button. I mean, when you click over here, just a minute. Hello? Lap. Okay, I'm back. Now, if you can see, at this stage, there is a script which is allowing you to jump to another button. So when you click on this button, it's supposed to trigger to this button, since we wanted to click this button ultimately. Now there's a condition over in this then that it's only available if you are selected right answer. That's there. So I need to change this thing only with this. I copied it. I'm going to paste it. Did I? Control Z. Let me copy again. I think it's already there, but to show you how to do these things, I'm changing things here. Now if I'm copying this like this and going to paste over here, which you can see it's already there, paste it and update. Now at this stage, there is a button over here. You can't see because I disabled or hide through the CSS, which I can show you again. Here we go. Now what happened at the front end, okay, now at this point, I believe if I'm going to click over here, the pop-up is appearing. Okay, now at this stage, this is the pop-up what you're seeing over here. Now if I'm click over here, the script will run. This script will run. It will see whether you have selected right answer or not. If I'm selecting right answer, if I'm clicking on this button, then the jQuery, you see this one, it will trigger to this element. Now this need to supposed to jump to another button. Did you get it? Hope you get it. If you're not, please do let me know what kind of issue you're still facing it. Then we can go for it. Also, you can rate me on Fiverr, no an issue. But apart from that, if you can possibly rate me on LinkedIn or recommend me on LinkedIn, that will help me to reach like you persons who are need a help. Okay. So I'm going to post this video just so you can see the entire thing.